guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money. Today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can make a lot of money with this airdrop. Okay, and this airdrop is happening on Bitget wallet. Okay, so what you need to do is to use the link in the description and download Bitget wallet. And once you download it, sign up, and after sign up, make sure that you save your secret phrase very well. Okay, and after saving it, what you need to do right now is to come to this place. Whether you are new or not, you need to do this right now. Everybody is eligible to do this. So, and it's going to start, or it's starting today, and I think it's going to end on 28th of this month also. So you need to do this right now. So what you need to do is to come to this BWB. Okay, and I want to tell you there's difference between Bitget wallet and normal Bitget. Bitget is centralized, why this Bitget wallet is decentralized exchange. So take note of that, because the two is not the same. Okay, you are only going to see this in Bitget wallet. So you need to click on this place. You can see where I click. That's a BWB. That's the exchange they are doing right now. So, and everything is free of charge. They are doing this in different places, but we are going to do this one first. Okay, so once you click on that, allow it to load, and after loading, you can see BWB Airdrop, Bitget wallet ecosystem token. BWB is live. Claim your airdrop now. Okay, so that's what we are about to do now. So what we need to do is to click on this event rules. So here you are going to read the introduction and all that. Okay, and if you come to this place, terms of BNB point earning task, so wallet holding, I think you need to do some trading here, even 500 USDT. So you need to come and read everything here. So let me check whether I'm eligible for this. So what I'm going to do right now is to come to this claim airdrop. Once I click on this, I'm going to click on signature. So I put my password. So here you are going to enter the invite code. Okay, and the invite code, you are going to get it. I'm going to drop the invite code that you need to enter right now. After entering the invite code, I click on next. You can see successful, and I got how many right now? I got 50 worth of it. So I click on confirm here, then I click on claim. You can see claim successful. So if I click on earn more points, so you can see trade for 3 days, daily value $100 to unlock your 50 new user points. So once I click on this trade, I'm going to keep swapping. Okay, keep swapping on this. So you can see what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be trading. Okay, I'm going to be trading for 3 days, because this is going to last for 3 days. So what are you waiting for? What you need to do is to follow the step that I just used right now for you to get yours. Okay, it's very simple. It's very simple. So you can see that I have 50 BWB right now, the point. So that's that. So there's a lot you can do. You can use your invitation. You can use your invitation to invite. So the more you're inviting people, the more you are getting more points. And you can see right here what they said, that you are going to get how many right here. You are going to earn 10% of referral user points. So here, earn 10 points for every 100 swap value capped. Okay, at 100 points daily. And wallet holding, earn 2%, earn 2 points for every 500 in wallet holding. So this is what you should be doing. Okay, this is what you should be doing. Use my invitation link. Okay, use my invitation link. This is my invitation link to register right now. That's a QVP38Y. Okay, and if you know how to play the game, you can have like 2 wallets. Okay, you can have like 2 wallets. Join us in our WhatsApp group where I'm going to teach you more about how you can make a lot of money with airdrop and other things. Okay, you need to join us right now. You need to join us. You need to join us. So this is what you should be doing. Okay, another thing is to come down here. You can see where they said fair launch pool. Okay, so you can see that's the fair launch pool. You click on that, so it's going to jump into this, so you need to allow it. This is what you should be doing right now. Don't waste any time. So here you can see what you need to do. Interaction steps. This is the rules. You need to click on the rules. Network is disturbing, so you need to click on in the rules. So connect to Twitter account. Okay, so what you need to do right here is to connect your Twitter account. How do you do that? You click on this start interaction. You have three things to do right here. So we start with interaction. So you need to do these three tasks here. One is connect to the Twitter account. Second, share campaign tweet on Twitter. Third, secure main, that's 100 BWB points. So let me check whether network will permit me to do this. I click on start interaction. So I'm going to connect my Twitter to this Bitget. So I click on authorize. Network is really disturbing. Okay, successful, yes. So let me try again. I saw something like successful right now. I click on connect again. Okay. So the next thing to do right now is to click on this particular one. You can see where I'm touching. I click on that. I click on interaction again. This is the step 2. And they said that we should tweet that, okay? So this is what we do right now by posting this here, by clicking on this. So I go back. Okay. This is the simple things you're supposed to be doing, okay, in order to get there. So I'm going to enter that again by clicking on this. So the next thing right here is to click on this. So this is a place where I will start inviting people, okay? So guys, what you need to do right now is to use this. You can see where I'm touching. You need to make use of this particular one. If you must be qualified for this airdrop, use this invitation code. And what you need to do in order to qualify for this is for you to register and create new account. Okay, create new account. I said create new account and try this. You are going to, you can see where I did this from the beginning. Okay, that's how you need to be doing it. You can see you need to swap. Okay, once you come to this place, you go to swap. You need to swap for you to be getting some points. Okay, because that point is what they will convert to this BWB. Okay, and this airdrop is massive one. A lot of people are going to make thousands of dollars with this airdrop. So if you like what I just share with you right now, what you need to do is very simple. You need to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and make sure that you join me in my WhatsApp group where I teach you the main secret on how to make a lot of money using this particular method I'm sharing with you right here. There's other secret ways to make money with it, which um time will not permit me to do right now, okay? But what you need to do is to join me in my WhatsApp group and Telegram, where I'm going to expose everything, okay? Always come this place to make sure that you did this task, okay? After doing the first one, what I told you to do is very simple. I said that you should come to this first one, okay? How do you locate it? One, if you don't see it here, what you need to do is to come to this place, BWB Airdrop, okay? So once you click on that, you are going to get yourself here also. And once you get yourself here, you are going to do the first one, which is this one, get ready for BWB. Then after that, and you can see that the token is 50 million they are going to deposit, and the time is just 3 days, okay? I think 3 days. So you need to be fast, and this is fair launch pool. So you need to do this particular one also. That's fair launch. So after that, then you can invite your friends, tell them about this airdrop, and once they use your link to register, you are going to be getting, I think, 10 points. So that's for this airdrop. I'm still going to tell you more things you need to do on this particular airdrop. Keep winning and keep subscribing. Also, make sure you give me sweet comments, because we are all here to make money. See you guys at the top. Bye bye.